Good morning, students. How you all are? Hope you all are well, and we are back with our English online class. In the last class, we had started chapter number 3, The Little Girl from the book Beehive. We had seen that the little girl is story of a little girl, Kezia. She is afraid of her father. The reason was that she had not spent much time with her parents. Then, in the last class, we had seen that her grandmother had suggested her that she should make a pincushion as a gift for her father. So the girl had stitched the three sides of cushion, and when she was not able to find anything to fill inside, she got some papers, she tore it and filled the cushion with those paper and stitched the fourth side. But the same evening, his father was searching for some papers which were very important documents, as those documents were the speech for his father for Port Authority. So now we will see that where is that missing paper, you know, and what happens to Kezia. Page number 34, paragraph 6. Kezia, I suppose you did not see some papers on a table in our room. Oh, yes, she said. I tore them up for my surprise. What? Screamed mother. Screamed means to shout. Come straight down to the dining room this instant. So finally his mother was searching for those paper and she searched everywhere. But when she was not able to find those paper, Kezia's mother, she just inquired that whether Kezia had seen some paper. At that time she said, I found it in the table. I tore them and filled the cushion with those papers. Listening to this, her mother screamed. Means उसकी जो mother थी वो समझ गई थी कि now his father will be more angry. So she screamed on Kezia, and she forced Kezia to present herself in front of her father. And she was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro. To and fro basically जो motion होता है ये pendulum का होता है. That means here to there. This is called to and fro motion. Hands behind his back. Well, he said sharply. Mother explained. He stopped and stared at the child. Stared means to look carefully. किसी को घूरना. Did you do that? No, no, she whispered. Mother, go up to her room and fetch down the damn thing. See that the child put on the bed this instant. So, while her mother, she was just bringing the Kezia down. At that time, Kezia's father, he was just moving to and fro. That means from this side to that side, because those documents, those papers were very important for her father. And when Kezia was presented in front of his father, and then mother explained everything. At that time, Kezia's father just asked, did you do that? And you can see that again Kezia is afraid. She was stuttering. No, no, no. She was not able to say anything clearly. So now his father was very angry, and even his father said that what damn thing, what Kezia had prepared, cushion or anything, you just bring it down. So definitely in this point of time, you can understand that Kezia is going to get some punishment, some sort of punishment. We will see that what sort of punishment she is going to get. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. So, as Kezia, she is a very little girl, she was already afraid of her father. Now, her father is calling her to give some punishment. So, she was crying, she was sobbing, she was not able to look at the face of her parents. But what she was doing? She was looking down, at the shadow of the room, and she was feeling very bad, very sad for what she had did. Then father came into the room with a ruler in his hand. Ruler means stick, chadi. I am going to beat you for this, he said. Oh no, no, she screamed, hiding under the bedclothes. He pulled them aside. Sit up, he ordered, and hold out your hands. You must be taught once, and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. But it was for your birthday. Again she is stuttering. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. So here you just try to understand Kezia and her father's condition. Even if you will look at the Kezia, she was not done anything wrong, because for Kezia, those papers were waste papers as they were just scattered on the table. That was the reason she tore it, filled in the cushion just for the present for her papa. But if you look at her papa's side, those were very important documents for her father. And when her father came to know that the little girl Kezia, she had tore the paper, even he was very much angry. So Kezia's father is asking some questions, that why you have touched the papers which does not belong to you, so much thing. And here Kezia is very much afraid, she is not able to speak properly, she is stuttering, थोड़ा हकलाती है. And in this way you can see the condition of Kezia and her father. Both of them, they are correct in their position. But definitely आप लोगों को भी बहुत गुस्सा आता होगा जब आपको कोई सामान कोई आपसे छोटा जो है वो टच कर लेता है without your prior permission. So in the same way, Kezia's father is also very much angry. So he had taken a ruler and he had given nice beatings in Kezia's pink palms. So now even her father had given a punishment. Hours later, when grandmother had wrapped means to cover, her in a shawl and rocked her in rocking chair. Rocking chair means नॉर्मली आप पुराने घरों में देख सकते हैं चेयर होता है जो बहुत कंफर्टेबल सिटिंग के लिए होता है ना, एक सीजो मोशन भी होता है, दैट इज रॉकिंग चेयर. द चाइल्ड क्लंग टू हर सॉफ्ट बॉडी. क्लंग मीन्स होल्ड टाइटली. So Kezia, after getting the beating, after getting the punishment, after getting the scolding, the little girl, she was just crying, she was just sobbing. And when her grandmother had seen that this little girl who had made a surprise gift for his father, and because of it she got even good punishment, so she was feeling very sad. So Kezia's grandmother, she just wrapped her in a shawl and kept in her arm and placed in a rocking chair. What did God make fathers for? She sobbed. Sob means सिसकी लेना है ना रोते हुए. Here's a clean hanky, darling. Blow your nose. Go to sleep. Pet, you all forget all about it in the morning. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. But the child never forget. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back and red color flew into her cheeks. So, after placing Kezia in that rocking chair, again Kezia, she was crying, she was sobbing, and she was asking that why God had made fathers. Because in the first paragraph or introductory paragraph of this chapter, we had already seen that Kezia is afraid of her father, है ना? And now her father had given her punishment. That why? Because Kezia, she was making a surprise gift for her father. So she was feeling very bad that her father was not able to understand and she was crying. And at that time, her grandmother was trying to make her understand that she will talk regarding it to the father, she will explain it to the father, everything will be fine, even you will forget all those things. But this child, the little girl, Kezia, she was not able to forget all these things. And whenever she used to see her father, she used to keep her hands at the back behind and her face used to grow red because of fear towards his father. So, in the beginning of chapter, we had seen that Kezia was afraid of her father, but now condition is little more severe, है ना? She is more and more afraid of her father. The McDonalds lived near next door. They had 5 children. Looking through a gap in the fence. Fence means boundary wall, है ना? Basically made up of wood fence. The little girl saw them playing tag in the evening. Tag is a child's game that especially children used to play that game. The father with the baby Meow on his shoulder, 2 little girls hanging on his coat pockets, ran round and round flower beds, shaking with the laughter. Once she saw the boy turn the horse on him and he tried to catch them laughing all the time. Actually, what is described in the paragraph, that picture you can see in the next page. है ना? Here little girl Kezia, she is looking at her next door neighbor. Next door neighbor means just next padosi, है ना? So here MacDonald, who is their father, who was playing with his 5 children. So for Kezia, as normally his father in the morning he used to go to the office and while evening he used to come, his father was very tired and he was not in a condition to play with Kezia. So Kezia's father had never played with Kezia. So to look at MacDonald, that how he was playing with his children, it was quite amazing for Kezia. Then it was, she decided there are different sorts of father. So after looking at the MacDonald, here little girl decides that there are different kinds of father. That means one Kezia's father who was not having time to play with Kezia, who never laughed but always in an angry mood, giving instructions to everyone around her. The next sort of father is Mr. MacDonald, who was laughing, who was having her baby in the arms, in the shoulders, and he was playing with his children. So now, in the previous night, Kezia asked a question that why God had made father, but now she made some difference in her conclusion that there are different sorts of father, good father and bad father. Basically, this thing comes to her mind as Kezia was not liking her father because she was afraid of her father. Suddenly, one day, mother became ill and she and grandmother went to hospital. The little girl was left alone in the house with Alice, the cook. That was all right in the daytime, but while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. So everything was going in this way. Suddenly what happened? Kezia's mother, she was ill, and with Kezia's mother, grandmother was taken to the hospital. Now Alice, who was the cook, who was a servant in Kezia's house, and Kezia, they both were alone. And in the daytime it was okay, But during the night, when Alice, she was putting Kezia to the bed, she was afraid. The reason was that वो बहुत छोटी बच्ची थी और नॉर्मली वो अपनी ग्रैंड माँ या अपनी मम्मी के पास सोती थी. But now as both of them are in the hospital, she was little afraid to sleep alone in the night. What I will do if I have a nightmare? Nightmare means bad dreams that comes in the night. Means जो रातों को थोड़ा डरावना सपना आता है ना, that is nightmare. She asked, I often have a nightmare and then Granny takes me into her bed. I can't stay in the dark. It all gets whispery. Whispery means as she's a little girl, she feels that if in a night she is alone, somebody is whispering something, है ना. तो नॉर्मली बचपन में सबको डर लगता है, जैसे लाइट चला जाता है तो थोड़ा सा डर लगता है कि कोई आ जाएगा, कोई पकड़ेगा. Sometimes it feels that somebody is saying something in our. So in the same way, the little girl Kezia, she is also afraid to sleep alone in the night, and she is saying it to Alice that she is not having habit of sleeping all alone. You just go to sleep, child, said Alice, pulling off her socks, and don't you scream, wake your poor pa. So what Alice is saying, it's everything fine. You just sleep, child, and if something happens, although mother and grandmother are not in the home, but your father is in the home, you can call him. But the little girl, Kezia, she is afraid of her father. But same old nightmare came. The butcher. Butcher means who used to cut meat and all. With a knife and rope. Who came nearer and nearer, smiling with a dreadful smile. Dreadful means very horrible. While she could not move, could only stand still, crying out, Grandma, Grandma. She woke shivering to see father beside her, a candle in his hand. So as Kezia was already afraid to sleep in the night, she slept. But after few moments, the same nightmare of the butcher, the knife and the rope, it came and she started crying, Grandma, Grandma. But some surprising thing happens to her. Normally, when she used to cry, Grandma used to come to her. But this time, she found that when she opens her eye, she found her father with a candle in her hand. He was standing next to Kezia. Oh, a butcher, a knife, I want Grandma. He blew out the candle, bent down, caught up the child in the arms, carrying her along the passage of a big bedroom. A newspaper was on the bed. He put away the paper, then carefully tucked up the child. He lay down beside her, half asleep still with the butcher's smile all about her, it seemed. She crept close to him, snugged her head under his arm, held tightly to his shirt. So, when Kezia just wake up from the bad dream, her father was there, है ना, with candle in his hand. And when Kezia was crying for grandma, his father just unlighted the candle and taken Kezia in her arm, went to his bedroom. And his father's bedroom was very messy, full of the newspaper and all. With one hand, he removed the newspaper and then made Kezia sleep in the bed. But anyhow, again Kezia was little bit afraid of that nightmare. So his father was asking her to be relaxed. Then the dark did not matter. She lay still. Here, rub your feet against my leg and get them warm, said the father. So father is now able to understand that Kezia is not still relaxed, and now father is asking her that she should rub her legs with the leg of his father. The father was trying to keep Kezia in her arms. And now the darkness does not matter. Why darkness does not matter? Because now Kezia is in the custody of his poor father. Now she is feeling little comfortable. Now she had started feeling relaxed because of her father. And this point of time, the darkness does not matter to Kezia. Tried out, he slept before the little girl. A funny feeling come over her. Poor father, not so big after all, and with no one to look after him. He was harder than grandmother, but it was nice hardness. And every day he had to work and was too tired to be a Mr. McDonald. She had torn up all his beautiful writing. She stood suddenly and shied. What's the matter? Asked her father. Another dream. Oh, said the little girl, my head's on the heart. I can hear it going. What a big heart you have got, father dear. Father dear. So in the last paragraph, you can see that although in the beginning of paragraph, in the beginning of chapter, Kezia was not free with his father. She was not able to understand her father, so she was afraid of her father. In between, because of those surprise gift and all, even Kezia got punishment and she became unhappy with the father. But in this point of time, when his poor father, he was taking care of Kezia, she is able to understand that why his father is not able to become Mr. McDonald. The reason she understood that, as जो मिस्टर मैकडोनल्ड थे वो शाम तक घर में आ जाते थे तो शाम को थोड़ा रिलैक्स होकर अपने बच्चों के साथ खेलते थे. बट Kezia's father, most of the time he will be in the office, and after coming from the office he was too tired. So this was the reason that he was not able to give much time with the Kezia. And she also realized the mistake that she had just touched the paper which does not belong to her. She made a mistake, she understood. And at that time, again her father asked, Kezia, again a nightmare. At that time, Kezia says, no father. And father says that your heart is very close to my heart, so I was able to understand your feelings. And in the last paragraph, you can see that Kezia is saying, dear father. In the previous paragraph, she is explaining her father as a person with big mouth, big hands. Then he is asking to God that why God had made the father. But in the end of paragraph, she is able to connect with his father. So this chapter, the little girl shows a good relation that Kezia was able to build with his father. So our chapter is finished. So now you can write the question answers following the link. Thank you students. Stay safe, stay healthy. Once again, thank you.